Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create animated text typing effect using JavaScript without any external library. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your code editor. Create an HTML file. Let's declare the doc type. Start the HTML code with HTML tag. Use the link tag to include the CSS file into our program. In the body, create a div element with class as main. Inside it, create a span element with ID as text. Create another span element with cursor as class. This will be the animated cursor for our effect. Create a CSS file. Now, if you are implementing this in an existing project, I recommend you to use your own styling. Just be sure to follow the cursor animation part. For this tutorial, set background of body to 222. Set overflow to hidden. For the main class, set color to white. Set width to 95%. Set height to 100 VH. Set position to absolute. Set top and left to 50%. Set transform to translate -50%, -50%. Set display to flex. Set justify content to center. Set align items to center. Set font size to 4 rem. For the cursor class, set animation to blink, 0.5 seconds, infinite, linear. Let's create the blink animation. At 0% and 100%, set opacity to 1. At 50%, set opacity to 0.
Our CSS is ready.
Let's write the JavaScript. Create a JavaScript file. Let's include the JavaScript file, using script tag. Let's declare a variable, I, and set its value to 0. Declare a variable, text, which will hold the text that you want to show. Let's declare a type text function. Now, we will check if I is lesser than length of text. If it is, we will concatenate the inner HTML of text element with the character at I position in the text variable. Increment the value of I by 1. Also, we will recursively call this function by a small delay of 100 milliseconds using setTimeout. Let's call the function and see the preview. As you can see, it is looking great. But, the effect stops when it reaches the end of the text. To make it repeatedly type the text, use an else condition, where we will use another setTimeout. Create a function which will set the value of I to 0. It will also clear the content of text element and call the function again. I will give 2 seconds as duration. This is the duration for which the animation will stop before typing the text again. If you have multiple lines to print, I have also got a solution for that. Declare an array, which will contain multiple lines of text. Declare a variable, and set its value to 0. At the very beginning in the function, write an if condition, which will check if array index is lesser than array's length. Now, replace the text variable with element at given index from the array inside the function. Now, in the else block of second if condition, increment the value of array index by 1. In the else block of first if condition, set array index's value to 0, and call the function. If the text goes to next line, the cursor gets bugged out. To fix this, remove the cursor's span element from the HTML. In the CSS, declare the after selector for the text element. Set content to pipe character. Cut-paste the animation property from cursor's styling. You can also set font family to monospace, to give it more like a typewriter effect. Our program is ready. I will see you next time.